Modern Android phones rarely have any kind of marks or labels indicating how much storage the phone has, but you can easily check this in your settings. I'll show you this on Samsung Galaxy and Google Pixel, since the two are pretty different. On a Galaxy phone, you'll go to Settings first, and then scroll down to Device Care. This gives you an overview of your device, and one of the sections here is dedicated to storage. You'll see the percentage of storage that's currently used, as well as the amount of gigabytes you've used, and the total amount of gigabytes your phone has, both marked in the top right corner. Down below, you'll see a breakdown of what's currently taking up space on your phone. If you're using something like a Google Pixel phone, you'll go to Settings, and from there, you can actually see a dedicated menu for Storage. Similar view here. You'll see the totals up top, including how much you've used, and the total capacity of your phone. And under that, you'll see a breakdown of what's taking up space on your phone. And that's how you check the storage on your Android phone. Click that like button if this helped, and subscribe for more quick, fast, easy guides like this. Thanks all, until next time.